One. All right, guys, welcome to Forex Way, the way to trade in Forex. Today we'll be looking at two pairs. I'll be doing USDJPY and EURCAD. You can see I already got these marked out. You're on the forward chart. I'm expecting this is aggravating. I'm expecting bullish price action, a bullish week. This will be kind of tricky in a way. Like I wanted to see like a different kind of play out because I had marked this out yesterday. But with it being Christmas, it's gonna be kind of I don't know, it's gonna be kind of sketchy. I hate when holidays come around when it comes to trading. But I would be anticipating price just to reach this zone right here. I believe this is off a weekly. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, so this is a weekly fair value gap. I'm gonna just there we go. Fair value gap. Alright. And I'm bullish to basically that level get reached at some point. And we can go back to the daily. You can already see price pretty much respecting this daily fair value gap. I'm not gonna add a text to that, but this is a daily fair value gap. You can already see price respecting that. I wasn't able to take opportunity to buy it because I was expecting a more deeper retracement. Let's go down to the 15-minute. I think that's where I was looking at for the entry. Yeah, I wanted price just to come down to right here. Let me show y'all. So yeah, I wanted price to come to my 62 retracement entry, but as trading goes, as we all know, you will not always get filled at your entry or just your level that you want price to go. So unfortunately, I missed that trade, and it was an opportunity for me to get back in right here, but I don't know. Either I was looking at another pair, or I just wasn't. I don't know. I think I just wasn't there, so I did miss that trade. So throughout the week, I still will remain bullish until that weekly fair value gap is hit at some point. So yeah, but let's see if this entry retracement because I don't think it still had went to the 6. Did it? It did. Oh man, I had a perfect entry, man. I didn't know it had went this far, but I had missed it. I think I was asleep. But oh man, that was perfect. What time that had? That was like 3. Oh yeah, I was asleep. See? That's why you gotta be up. I was asleep. Cause like I think I told you I don't really trade on Mondays. Mondays is more like an observation day. So hence why I missed this trade. But it was perfect though. This was a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. And one thing I'm starting to do is they say when you look at the forward chart and just try to align that with the 15-minute chart. So on a forward chart, let me see if I can make sense out of it. Oh, come on now. So yeah, on the forward chart, you can see price that came into this fair value gap, right? From right here to right here, price that came into this fair value gap. You already seen price respected. So my job is to find that same thing happen on the 15-minute chart. Hence why I wanted price to come to this fair value gap, but never got right here. But if I was awake when I should have been awake, or if I should have been expecting the trade, I should have been up early enough in the morning to capitalize on this entry where price that came back down to this fair value gap to the 62 retracement, and boom. You had so many confirmations. You had the fair value gap, the displacement, and this beautiful hammer candle right here. Beautiful hammer candle. I love hammer candles. Love it. But like I said, I'm gonna just keep looking at price, and I'm gonna try to find like another retracement just so I can get back into the trade or get into the trade and capitalize on it. So maybe it might bounce off this trend line sometime in the week or come back down here and bounce. Who knows. But that would be my long term idea for this trade. And we'll be looking at EuroCAD next. I'm actually in EuroCAD right now. I took a loss earlier this morning just because a little bit of bad judgment, but also the market, the market. So I'm gonna blame myself first, of course, because I feel as if I was a little bit in a rush to get into a trade this morning, and like when you just in a rush to get into a trade, like you're gonna mess up. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. One thing I keep trying to tell myself is, don't be in a rush to lose money. Why are you in a rush to lose money? That makes no sense. If I'm at a store or a restaurant, I'm not gonna be so much in a rush to spend my money on something that I may not like. You know what I'm saying? So like, I got to keep training my mind to tell myself like, it is a good trade. Like, is this something that we really should be entering in at this point? Do you check off every checklist before you hit that market execution button? You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But all in all, I still would have took the trade because it met my rules. So like I wasn't in a rush, but it still at the end of the day it had met my rules. I just had got in at like a 38 or 50 when I should have got in like a 50, 60, 62 retracement. So, it was just like I did follow my rules though, but I feel as if I did get in. I follow my rules to a certain point. I did feel as if the trade was gonna leave me. So I'm only human, guys. I'm only human. I'm only human. Fight me. So like I said, with this trade, I'm expecting a bearish price action. You can see, let me just add this daily fair value gap right here. And if you've been watching my channel for a minute, you should already know why I'm expecting bearish. Draw these little trend lines. This is a daily. Matter of fact, no, let me draw this on the 4 hour. Cause I think that's where it really, really, really look nice. So yeah, like I've been doing. And I took it from this one right here. I took it from this low and brought it to right here. And when I draw my trend lines, I just try to make as much candles or wicks touch as possible, just so I can see what price is kind of like angling that. I'm just trying to squeeze into. So, like I said, I took a first loss this morning. My first loss was like right here, cause I'm gonna show y'all why. So, my first trend line, I think when I first do my trend line this morning, it was like somewhere right here. And then it seemed like price had broke the trend line. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. So with Bright breaking the trend line, that gave me more confirmation of like that price is ready to go down. And then when I seen price continue just to go up, I'm like, okay, now retesting the 618, all that good stuff. But price was really just respecting this right here. And that I was like, that what it was. And like when I first drew my trend line, I was like, dang, is this the right place? I don't think this is the right angle I should be going at. But I think it was just like a scarcity mindset, and I was just like, nah, I think it's ready just to go down. But this is still me just learning and improving my strategy. But like I said, I did get back into the trade. I got back into the trade like pretty much at the highest point where it was like pretty much right after it took off took these highs right here. So just took this high, I got in. So right now I'm currently into the trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm making a little bit of money, but I am still expecting more. Of course, I'm still expecting some more bearish price action because this is a bearish trade. This is a thick ass arrow. I do not like this arrow. I'm taking this off. Too thick. That's what she said. But let's see. So yeah, this better. It'll look more. I don't know, just easier on the eye for me. But let me draw this fib out so I can give y'all more confirmation and see where I'm looking at. And yeah, I got in like pretty much on the 706 line, maybe a little bit higher, maybe a little bit lower, but that's pretty much where I got in at. And I'm pretty much I'm bearish this whole week on this pair. So I don't plan on taking no buys at all on this pair. I just plan on adding to my positions on this pair. So especially if we see price let me see. I'm just letting yeah. Especially if we see price break below this channel, give us a retest or anything of that sort. Oh yeah, we good then. But I also should have knew that, like I said, if I'm bearish for the week, Monday is typically gonna be a bullish type of day. You're gonna see a lot of bullish price action most of the time. And I knew that, and I still was kind of like holding the trade because I like I said, it had aligned with my rules so much. Like it was aligned with my rules, but I was just a little bit nervous that it was gonna leave without me, and that is something I'm still working on. I'm still trying to work out some of the little kinks of my strategy and just my discipline and stuff like that. But you know, as long as I just have an understanding of where the market going and I have the same foundation of my rules and if understanding what the market is most likely to do based off history, hey, I can't be mad at that. I can't be mad at that. So I did lose money in my first trade. I had two positions, so my first two trades, but I ain't mad at that because I followed my rules, for the most part. But yeah, I'm very excited about this trade though, for real. Think this trade would be, I think it'd be a pretty nice trade. Pretty nice trade. You can see price had like a whole lot of bullish price action, and then you can start to see it kind of like slow down a little bit, coil down, break these lows, so then it come back up. So now we're just accumulating these positions back. And I want to say these right here, these is just where smart money had sold or bought previously. I'm still trying to get my words correct, but I don't want to make this too long. But USDJPY I'll be bullish, and EURCAD I'll be bearish for the week. So yeah, probably Wednesday and Thursday I would really expect prices to really start cracking down these lows and start making me money. But thank y'all. Good luck.